Hi, everybody. Good morning. I would like to ask a question to you. You have seen green leaves, but sometimes green leaves will become yellow, orange, red, and tan. The question arises, where did the green go? Look at the left side. I have given the images. A green leaf gradually turning to yellow, then something like a pink, then ultimately to tan. How these things will happen in a plant, in a living plant. Below that, you have four different types of plants in different seasons. Green, then no leaves, yellow leaves, and then brown leaves. Four different types of plants. Not in our country, perhaps these things are very clearly seen in the Western countries. In India, it's a climate is almost same every season. Therefore, we will not see these dramatic changes. Spring is the season where everything will be green. In India, it is called Vasanta Rutu. Then autumn in India is known as Sharad Rutu, where the leaves will start falling down. Leaves contain several pigments, primarily chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenoids, anthocyanins, each playing a crucial role in photosynthesis and in leaf coloration. You look at the images given there, green leaf, then something like a green and a yellow, yellow and green completely, and also you see same plant leaf has taken arranged in different shades. All these things will happen. How these things will happen? How the green leaf containing chlorophyll becomes so different colored by the time when it comes to maybe from November, from February to November, these changes will happen. Looks green because it contains many pigments, of which chlorophyll A is the one and chlorophyll B. These two absorb all the light from the seven colors of the sunlight and reflect only green. That's why it looks green. As the leaves become aged, the coloration changes. Carotenoids and anthocyanins play a role, and then the of the seven colors of the sunlight, they reflect different colors because chlorophyll A and B start degenerating. The mystery changes in a leaf. Let's ask a simple question. Why do leaves change color? Green leaves are seen for most of the year, but in some seasons, leaves become yellow, orange, red, brown, or tan. Where does the green color go? Images shown here are taken from temperate regions where you can clearly see different coloration in the plants. What a wonderful nature it is, isn't it? In the central picture you see green, then during snow season no leaves, then comes the area when some leaves will be green, and finally we get one more season where they call fall, and all the leaves will turn into orange red color. Wonderful, wonderful scene to be seen in some of the countries like USA, UK, Switzerland, and all these things. But in India, it is not so clear. But maybe in Kashmir, we could see that. Towards your left, a small diagram is given where plant cells show small green pigment-like structures. They contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment that absorbs all the light and reflects only green color. You know, sunlight has 7 colors called Vibgayar. V stands for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, and R, another R for red. So these colors will be absorbed and green is reflected. What happens in the leaves when the seasons change? Shorter days and cooler temperatures can signal the tree to prepare for a leaf fall, for a leaf change. See, look at that, shorter days and cooler temperatures. As the leaf ages and prepares to fall, about to fall, chlorophyll production slows completely, sometimes stops, and existing chlorophyll breaks down in the leaves and becomes green color, becomes gradually disappear, and you see it becomes yellow gradually. The leaves will be there, the same leaf changes its color. Then where will the different colors come from? It's very simple. Leaf has pigments, I told you earlier. Now the chlorophyll will not show up. Yellow color becomes from the carotenoids. Orange also becomes from the carotenoid pigments. Red and purple, some leaves have a substance called anthocyanin, and they become either tan or brown or pink in color. As the right side you shown different colors in the same leaf. The leaf color changing story is very simple. Green color appears when chlorophyll is active. When the chlorophyll decreases, other pigments in the leaf are visible and they come to play, and the leaf color changes, and finally leaf falls. What makes a leaf green? Why does yellow become visible? Do all trees change color in the same way? These questions you may try to answer. In India, seasons are the same almost, but since our country is not having very cool temperature and snowfall, therefore the color changes in the leaves are very minute. It is very difficult to observe, but we can see green leaves will turn into yellow and fall down. Other coloration like pink and yellow gradually changing into colors, you will not be able to observe carefully here in the country because of the temperature. The simple answer would be a leaf does not suddenly get a new color. As chlorophyll disappears, the hidden colors become visible. Then the color changes will be completely very, what we call pleasant to see. Attributions, content, design and voice by C.J. Nagaraja, scientific guidance by ChatGPT, images, Creative Commons, and some from the web and some from CGN, that is me. This video is prepared only for information purposes, not for education. Sorry, not for examination. This channel is not for examination. It is only for understanding the nature's wonder. Thank you all.